The games. Fuck the games. Yes, you saw that for sure. I recorded that shit. He was a rich, but he called African intelligence to find usaka le ntombi zomshakazi abanye zomqofola zimbona eqhubile zitshela ukuthi yakhe akenana lutho mani. Right now, at these moments, I'm feeling mood, and these bros are busy telling me ngenyoka. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Since when we care about ngenyoka, the snakes and all that things. See how I love. Manje, as you can see, Angel, ngisikiphiko kulokonje. Ngiphethe uSparks la. We on the Isuzu, we moving. Sinyakaza kakhulu. Kahle we going to Estopini. So hlangabeza umalumekazi. Yeah. For now, keep tune in. We moving kakhulu left vlog yanamhlanje. Hayi the motion. There's too much motion today. Indawo yaselokunja le.
Islandla nkomo lezi new body nika ngakho ngathi angiphume around it soqhame inkozo ngasitelela emfana soqhame ngazobala amagama soqhame inkozo ngasitelela emfana soqhame ngazobala amagama nika ngakho ngathi angiphume khona nika ngakho ngathi akufuna esikole nginqoma ubithe ngaliphethe benches themba beloncola njengololi
yeah sabantu abayirelaxela abengenankinga nje motion showcase lapho Show, go. They don't even know the kids. But so OG abaseThekwini, so malum baseThekwini. Look at the condition of the road. Hey, anyakaze semdlalweni. Yeah, semdlalweni la bafana. Ziyakhala. Okay, ngeke aluke la. Ngeke unogwaja ngeke unyuke la. Just jokes. But yeah. That's the feeling. That's the motion. That's how we're moving, namhlanje. My trip is very hard. Don't even bother to like ask yourself. Kombi ibizwa ngani le yanyoni? Le bidlu le nomsila omkhulu emnyama le ejwayele ukuba semobeni nje. Sparks. Okay, kulungile ngizomthola umuntu uzongitshela nami ngizobhala la ngisho ukuthi kade ngibona nyoni namhlanje bese y'all cram it. Yeah. Man, wehla lapha ezansi? Siyakhaza. Yeah, that's the feeling. Wena nje just tune in. Ngifuna ukuthi ulinde khona into ozoyibona. Oh, but I already saw the thumbnail, so there's nothing much. I already know. I already seen all coming soon. So yeah, mina angakubazi nokubazi ukuthi bayoba kanjani because I'm still in the motion. Yeah. Uji, that's where we at.
No plan B, figure con angianis. Got a super shinies, super thick, my baggage. Tage Kalin, one night, my sheets, boba.
Okay. So njengamanje we still waiting for umalumekazi. So ngizonishayela ngizonidedelela i-drip check kancane bafana bakithi i-drip check kancane bamba lanka bami. Okay, so qala la. Qathule. Sejindida. Obamba bendida, ama-crocs endida. Bese size la. Kwi-blue. Last years to years ngiyadlala. If you know this one, you're an OG. You're an OG if you know it. And then ibhande. Ngizibhande lase Woolies nani niyazi-ke iy'ndaba zase-Woolies nama-money bags ukuthi kuhamba kanjani mfethu ozenyusa ikamera sidla mabalengwe sikanje bese kwisigqoko. You already know the sigqoko yilokunje. And shout out to my papa yize-ke sekuthe ukulokunye umfana lapha ePhoenix ngamphakamisa naye. He did this amazing job. Otherwise guys, semthandeni la Mantsomini sesitobhini mfowethu. Kombe le sesibizwe ngani futhi stop lesi Kazikalala. We tapped in, we locked in, we pin dropped. Yeah, pin drope khona la Kazikalala bafowethu. Nisazobona onyakweni yazini mele ngishaya isithombe ngimi kanje kuze nizobona next year ukuthi kube sekenjani nami ngibe senginjani. I hope you'll make me rich. Shaya isithombe screenshots. I hope no YouTube uzo update na ama comments akhona kuvela izithombe bese nina uploada lesi. Yeah. Sure? I'm inside. Okay. LOL, I just landed in London. Like that. We're taking off now. Sesibheke khona kwelakithi. Seyizokhala ngempela-ke now. But mengibuka izulu, the weather, ngathi ngizodo. I think, yeah, Danda is coming our way. Yeah, thunderstorms. They're very dangerous. Okay, let me just keep quiet and show you the song.
Life's that crazy, still paper chasing. I think I see this shit. Now I'm balling like a Mason. Sign my shoe, I know me. So the little you make niggas safe. I was broken and you fall. Now these pussy niggas know my name. Wonder where would I be without the fame? Dali and bananas, I play the game. Had no love. Magic got the green out, kiss right. Umalaba to me long she ain't. Only king and the melodies with
Always had love for the money, never had love for the fame. Everything about me really changed. Every mama done treat me the same. Had no love for the fame. Now I really gotta hide my pain. Don't nobody care how I feel. Kumbula kezenishi. Cornerstone, I was just
okwenzekile bekuyindala lapha mehla masabheka umama phela understanding sayingani singala ngiyakholwa kwala amakholwa abesonta khona amehla yabona wangishiya umama.
Okay, babies, we tapped in. Hey, hayi ngqwele ngisho mami ababuka lethe. We tapped in. Nani bafowethu usesilapha sondela cameraman. Yeah, we're on our way as we wabonile ama highlights uthi zizokhala. It's crazy. Sondela bese hamba. Stop up here spot la. Hayi qiqi. Sondela futhi kuze ngizwakale kwe mic nami. Nasi-ke skill. This is only used for protection, not for robbery la. No house breaking in la. Yabo izinto esingayiqondi. Yeah. This is the view. Okay, the trees behind me. The trees behind me, these large trees, babizwa ngogum tree. Lesihlahla lesi, I know you'll know it. Ngezulu fethu sithi yini lesihlahla lesi esinameva kanje. Hey man, okay, it's fine. It's fine. The boy is sleeping on the motion. It's fine. But on my next video, next time I'm here, ngiyobe ngiphethe isijula buchopho. Thina besibuye sinake lezinye izinto sakuthi imithi nani na. But ke in the comments spam ukuthi ngiphathe inyanga ezongitshela kodwa okay, this one I can tell. Lesihlahla lesi it's called umsuzwane lo bafowethu. Yeah, wonke lo umsuzwane. It's still the same thing. So its function umsebenzi umsuzwane uyalukhunja. Yabo une flu. Angazi ukuthi ngayibiza ngani ngegama lesingisiland. But une flu uyakusiza ekuthenini ukhulule ne-COVID sasukhipha ngawo umsuzwane thina la emakhaya. Ugcwele like yonke indawo. Hawu mfowethu. Mobuka yazi empethe ngiyidingayo ngempela mfowethu. Le yini lesa sifanga ngaphansi komlimi ebovu nobumnyama. Le yenhlanhla mfowethu. Hayi bukhombe wayini. Sasibiza ngani lento? Okay, these type of sharp type shades that are close to the river sibiza ngemhlanga le. Imhlanga futhi yiyo le mayisi develope kahle ephathwa izintombi meziya emhlangeni. Yeah, it actually makes sense umkhosi wobuhlanga. Yeah. Njengamanje sibheke khona emvoti bafana. It took a lot for me ukuthi siye emvoti. Iyahlaba ke emhlanga, don't underrate it. Kombe yini imfudi le yanto? Ubani? But we'll remember it. Maybe we'll see it la endleleni lento le. Kodwa apparently yini magoqa? Magoqa, it's something like that. Yazi yenzani lento le. And mina I prove it. I proved it right like many times. Dog. Ngeke ungene inkingeni mawusudle le yanto le uyifaka phansi kolimi. And it's a blueprint. Ngitshela nje bafana. Mina it works for me. Ngiyisebenzisa ngika grade 5. I remember. Angiseklasini. So ngawele maths. Ngazi no maths and super sardine. Yabo? Ngisase St. Michael's. Wayilokhu nje, wayimaka amabhuku. Manje simusukula yini. Kenze homework. Angiyenzile mina homework. Now uyazi mo inkunzi. Sasidlalela ibhola and all that shit. Sidlalela ibhola. Mina afele ngayidla lento le. Simukula yini kanje. Ngiwu number 5. Ngabe u number 4. Ngiphethe ibhuku li empty. Uyamisa la emake exebule uthisi. Yabo? Amande ayashaya ke. Ngingawathathi kancane. Ngalesa sikhathi kodwa ngazi phela. Manje. Kwenzeka leyo nto. Angavele ngayithatha lo shuni lo. Ngawufaka phansi kolimi. Nangempela sengu number 2. Number 2. Ngitshela ngiwu number 2. Kwavele kwakhala ibhele. Kwathiwa kune immediate meeting esikoleni. I'm not capping. If I'm capping, I would be flying. Kwayisholo inkabi yami le u-ice. Yeah, hey besambuka uSonyabule. W is in a chat. I hope one day we are streamer naye lento le. I-stream ethi let's peep this youngin. Yeah. Cause na kanjani. Yeah. Eish. Afethu. Kodwa nje lo yashuni lo uyasebenza. Ngiyoba ngibuka phansi nje. I'm looking for it. Eish. Sesike manje. Semahushushini bafana. We're figuring out. That's where we're going. W is in a chat. Kukwamaphumulo ke la. Ngadideki. Yeah. Le yankunzi uSonyabile ngiyikhonzile. And ngiyambona ukuthi ukhona kushuni ngiyabona kube waye umZulu. Le kwakuzobe insizwa ngempela. Phela no offense. Ijani kumna buka nami ngigqoka isigqoko esijwayele ugqoka amajani. Uyishuni leyana. Kodwa ke bomZulu nani nyazi. Hey, that's where we at. Hawu. Kanti sonke lesikhathi selfie. Hey, asazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Sazi. Sengikhulume kangaka. Hey, I really don't know. Afethu man ngithengele iGoPro. Ayikho phela lento. Awu ho madoda. Awu. Hayi Safi. Ayawonke nise ngempela. Lento. Hayi mfowethu awukho. kodwa akafika la. Akafika la. Okay, you know what, chat? I'm gonna show you a video before, like it was on August. Yeah, it was August holidays. I was on my semester break on August. I'm gonna show you how this river looked, and then it was like a transition from here, moving like this, and to here. I was standing here saying something crazy, wearing the same shirts, wearing the same shirts. I was saying shirts, vest. Yeah. Okay, njengamanje njengenyathi inkunzi malanga, I am going to enter there. Yebo. Look, okay, a quick view. And okay, one thing, this is not smart. This water is very pure and clean. It's just that it has little of few complications that you won't understand. But we are inside. Just joking, boy. Oh boy. What's that? Okay, guys. So okay, yeah, I'm gonna show you a young things that I know. Okay, this was this is not mud. Okay, you can see these traces. These are cow footprints, and this, hey, you check. Oh, it's a bird. It's a bird. Wait, you got one? Yeah, this is a bird. But I was going to talk about this mud. This is not actually mud. It's actually called ubung. This is clay. Yabo. So these in the olden days, we used to like make pots. Yabo, ukhamba like ngobumba. Uyafika ubumba ukuhlanganisa ubeke elangeni ukushise. It's a whole process. I think in the nearest future I have to make a young project of something like that. Flower for amathekini. And I told you anginayo knowledge eningi ngeimbali. Kodwa one day I should get an expert ozokhuluma ngeinda. La ikahlahle iyona bhavu, iyona shower yethu le. La sikhopha khona inyawo, you do this shit, do this thing, do that thing. You know, la uyiwasha khona mfowethu uyigeze. Chama computer. Oh, uthini? Do ungangizwa ngikhuluma isingisi kanje mfowethu. Kukwamaphumulo la, kukwangoni la. Okay, yeah. Okay, njengamanje I'm about to ngena emanzini and show you all the shit. That I'm the shit. Yeah, ba. Hi, Val. Okay, let my camera not hear me speaking. Before I enter, have to let y'all know. There are rumors ukuthi kwabane do la yabo bayibona snake. Yeah, but I'm afraid my camera guy is like not entering here, so I'm actually afraid. Please subscribe, dog. I cannot afford to like do this thing and don't get subscriptions. My English is upgrading every day, but thanks to me, this is the POV, and I think I'm getting in. Yes sir, I'm getting in. Yeah, but hombambela sengiyibonile indlela engizongena ngayo. Guys, it's that moment now. I'm about to enter. Kumele ngiyibongele before anything. Yimo ethu manqasha sise zenye inqasha zemkaba. Iyathi mnyama sicima lude ke sena imponde ke sizimza abafazi ye bathi abanye ayizonda indlana zayithi abkonya incane edla nezinza amaphisi mahle kubulawa. Usoka le ntombi zamshela zambange zamqofola zimbona eqhuba imfuyo zitshela kunje yakhe. Kanti yena kanalutho mani. Chat. Floating. Okay. Hey, bafowethu. Yeah, I'm in that session right now. Yeah, I won't lie. It felt different ukungena la emanzini. It felt different entering this water. I don't know what's happened. I'm not sure, but this thing is crazy. But maybe in the nearest future, we going to Gibela that side, that thing. Siyibiza ngenjini na esishaya tour encane. But for today, even my gang is like scared, so I'm not like comfortable and confident in doing things. Abo, I'm not gonna lie. It's important to have sessions like this, even though I'm not going back to like this river. Nah, damn, I'm not doing that. I just didn't feel good about doing that thing. But it had a positive impact. I feel a bit different. I don't know how to explain this, but this thing of connecting with nature, being like one with nature. I know it sounds like a Hollywood thing or a movie thing or something like that, but just guys, look around. Connecting with all of these trees, just expressing myself, because my cameraman is still gone for now, but he's coming back. He's too afraid. Nami angazi lento ngiyithatha lento yokuba umlungu kanje yabo. Walking be important, like to connect with the ground, getting the ions from the soil. It's something that you have to know, that it's something you have to like tap in, like as a youth. I feel that we have to like communicate with chat. I'm in the games. Fuck the games. Chat, you saw that for sure. I recorded it. Oh, ain't sure talent. Where's Sparks? Yo. Hey shit, my clothes. How am I gonna get them? They warned me. I want to make two salad just one more. Fuck. The Sparksy! Guys, I'm cooked. Middle of the forest. Now I feel like doing a documentary for the lions, with the lions. I got very wabuya izulu for sec. How am I gonna get my clothes? Yeah. Hey guys, you know what? I ain't gag, chat. I ain't gag. No, I'm going back. Just to fetch my clothes. I have no choice. I'm not going closer to the water. Forget about that one. But I still don't believe I recorded this shit. I ain't gag. I am boy lava food. I'm in a good run. Oh, yo. You know what? Okay, now I'm closer. This is the river. What's me ngifa nje? Ngiyazi. Afethu vela aqali ngami kuyibona lenyo. Ngikhuziwe futhi bafethu. Oh yo. I'm taking my shoes. I'm moving like this, gents. Hey, chat. Hi. Hey, Sparks. Hey, ndoda. Hayi ngingikhuzile impela bafwa. Hey. Mfowethu. Ngo. Yona ngo. Nawe ngibonile ukuthi igazi lakho belinqaba. Ungafuni ungena phela dog. Sparks mina naye kade sasilokhu sibhukuda la. Hayi gede ngisho indaba yalohunja. Ihlathi la ngempela. Sengisaba nanokuhamba manje. Hey wethu uvalo. Usazongena kanjani kwehlathi elinje? Look at guys. I book camera as this is even my camera is lacking. This thing is powerful. Hey, ihlathi la ngempela leli. Uke washo uSparks. Mina ngoba ngilokhu ngihlatshwe emhlanga yini. All right. Azin. We're moving. Better motion, bigger motion. Okay. I think this is the end of the episode. Maybe sengiyokhuluma nje. But okay. Oh, I forgot to introduce you. This is our ground. Angazi ndoda noma yiphi esogodwa ngayo fast le awuthi ngigqoke. This is our Mapita, our small ground that we created. We are the pioneers of it. Look at me, I'm still on the highest level. I'm still calling it. Ngisakhuluma, ngisastreama. Bafana ngiyinkunzi. Kodwa ngayibona like first time. Like all my life, all my life. It's been rumors. Like angazi ngayibona. Wazi ukuthi kunenyoni. Kodwa maybe in the video. I should check the video for sure. Ngeke bafana kube iphunyukile lapha. Cheers. Please subscribe, dog. Yo. Please subscribe. This is a valid reason. This is a valid point, bafowethu. Valid point in it. Subscribe bani bafowethu. Mina right now ngiyaqoka manje mina. Ngiyahamba ngiyagoduka for sec. Chat. Na sengigqokile manje sengiqondile. Ngiphuma khona bafana bakithi. Ngeke inkunzi. Ngiyinkunzi. Look at my camera man. Bafowethu. Ngabe ngizolala kanjani? I have to check. Oh, hey, bafowethu. But it's not enough. Ngiyinkunzi. Angazi nizongivuma kanjani. Yivumeni. Man. Wefowethu. Isikho sami usiloko nje. Oh, siphethe. Phela that's that hoodie. Ishini. Look at me now.
How are you, baby? Okay. You never thought in your lifetime you would ever see a vlog like this. Now you're seeing it. It's near the vlog. Subscribe, baby. Let's go.